The spare parts of LINDE BPV70 hydraulic pump usually include the following main parts: piston, cylinder block, valve plate, bearings, seals, spring, shell, adjustment mechanism, filter element, etc. The function of each accessory is different. For example, the piston is a key component in hydraulic pumps, responsible for reciprocating motion within the cylinder to generate hydraulic pressure. The cylinder block is the chamber in which the plunger moves. Our company specializes in supplying spare parts for various brands of pumps and strictly controls product quality. We have been deeply involved in this industry for 20 years and have rich experience. We are happy to solve your problems.